The Redwood Forests.
Redwood forests mostly are in California and Oregon, and they mostly occur on the coast.
Redwood forests grow only in the western United States. The forests are close to the Pacific Ocean, but they aren't too close. Redwoods don't like salty water.
Redwoods can't grow too near the ocean. Its waters are salty, and redwoods don't like salt. What are the redwood forests?
Redwoods are very tall evergreen trees. Large groups of these trees make up the redwood forests. The forests are mostly in Northern California, but the redwoods also grow in the southern part of Oregon.
A hiker walks among the California redwoods. The amazing redwood.
Redwoods are the tallest living things on Earth. Redwoods are not just tall, some are big enough around to drive a car through.
A car drives through a giant redwood in California. Redwood bark is reddish brown or gray. The bark can be 1 foot thick.
Some redwoods are reddish brown like the one on the left. Others are gray like the one on the right. Redwoods grow where it is often foggy. Redwood needles take in wetness from the fog. This provides water to the treetops.
Older redwoods can survive fires. Sometimes a fire hollows out a cave in a redwood's trunk, but the redwood still keeps growing.
A redwood has a big cave in its trunk. Many redwoods do not grow from seeds. Instead, they spring up from redwood stumps. They grow from fallen branches, roots, or burls. A burl is a kind of lump on the tree.
New redwood trees grow from a fallen redwood log. Saving the redwood forests. The redwood forests used to be much larger, but many of the giant trees have been cut down. People use them to build things like houses and decks.
Redwoods often grow new trunks high in the forest canopy. The canopy is made up of the highest treetops and branches in the forest.
Some redwoods have been alive for more than 2,000 years. They continue to grow as long as they live.
Berry bushes and even small trees grow high in the treetops. Animals such as salamanders live in the canopy too.
A researcher finds a salamander in the canopy of a redwood forest. At home in the forest. Redwood forests are home to many living things. Tall Douglas firs and other trees grow near the redwoods.
Douglas firs share the forest with redwood trees. Many kinds of lichens grow in the redwoods. Lichens are plants that grow on the trees and rocks. They do not hurt the trees.
Green lichen coats the trunk of this redwood. Shade from the redwoods keeps forest streams cool. This cooling shade protects the fish that live there.
People are working to save the trees that are left. They create a national park and many state parks. The trees that grow in these parks are protected.
Large animals such as black bears live in the redwood forests.
Ferns and other plants often grow on fallen trees.
Young ferns cover this fallen redwood log. Smaller animals, like banana slugs, do too.
A banana slug slides along a redwood trunk. Northern spotted owls depend on tall trees.
One redwood is more than 379 feet tall. That is much taller than the Statue of Liberty.
A scientist measures the tallest redwood tree.
Fun facts.
When people talk about the redwoods, they usually mean the coast redwood. That is the redwood shown in this book. But 2 other trees are sometimes called redwood. One is the giant sequoia in California. The other is the dawn redwood in China.
Redwoods often survive fires and floods, and no insects can kill a redwood, but high winds can take down even the biggest trees.
Sometimes new redwood trees grow up in a circle around an old stump. These are called fairy circles.
Studying a forest's canopy is not easy. Some scientists use rope to get up there. Then they can study the canopy up close. Sometimes scientists even sleep in the tree tops.
Some of the world's other tallest trees are also found in the western United States. These include the Douglas fir, the Sitka spruce, and the giant sequoia.
This is Emma.
And this is Enzo.
Thanks for listening.